Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make the best chocolate chip cookies ever. They are so delicious and so easy to make, so let's get started. In a big mixing bowl you are going to add your butter. Your butter needs to be at room temperature so it will be easier to cream. And your sugar. You are going to mix this using a hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Now that our butter and sugar mixture is ready, you're going to add your vanilla and egg. You're going to mix this until combined. Now you can add your brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And mix this until combined. Now our last ingredient, the flour, and mix until everything is well incorporated. Using your spatula, give the mixture another good stir. And now it's time to add your chocolate chips. Fold them in using your rubber spatula until incorporated. Our cookie dough is ready. It's time to prepare our tray. Using an ice cream scooper, I'm going to scoop out my cookies, about 1 tablespoon each. Line your tray with parchment paper and leave enough space for the cookies to expand into the oven. Now take each cookie dough and roll it out into your hands in the form of a ball. Press your cookies a little bit down to the parchment paper and add some more chocolate chips on top. Now you are going to bake your cookies at 175 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes. Our cookies are ready and you can serve them right away. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.